How to print multiple pictures on one page in Windows. So if you want to print multiple pictures on one page in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your pictures at first. So go with the location where you have your pictures. Now, once you have your pictures, you just need to simply go and select your pictures. Like for example, I'll just select some of them. In my case, I've selected 4 of them. I need to right click on those selected pictures, and here you'll have show more options. You need to click on it, and then you will have an option of print. You need to click on print, and now as you can see, you will have this kind of interface. Now if you want to print multiple pictures on one page, then you need to go with the right side, and here you will have as you can see, you will have 2 pictures in one frame or 4 pictures in one frame. If you have 9 pictures, you can go with this 9 option, or if you have 35 pictures, you can print 35 pictures in just one page or in one frame. So I'll just simply go and select 4, and as you can see, I'll have this kind of interface. Now I'll just simply go with print, and it will be printed. That's how you can print multiple pictures on one page in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.